Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about how to update Microsoft Edge to the latest version. Edge is a Chromium-based browser so a large portion of the process is the same as for Chrome. It also installs updates automatically but you can check for updates yourself from within the About section. Select the horizontal ellipsis at the top right of the Edge browser and select help and feedback. Then about Microsoft Edge. About Microsoft Edge. Number 2, Edge will automatically check for software updates and start downloading them if they are available. Number 3, once it downloads the updates, you will need to click on the restart button doing this will restart your internet browser and install the latest updates. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.